guys, welcome to today. I have got a fidget spinner, and guys, this is my face. Woo, Roblox Gamer. My name is Roblox Gamer, but these things are going crazy on the internet, so I just got one. Okay, let's open this. Ah. Whoa. Guys, I'll be back when I open it. Right guys, I'm back and it's in there. Oh, I've never tried this before. Whoa. This is so cool. That noise. If you can hear that noise. But this is so cool. Bam. Bam. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is so... It makes it... I actually like the noise I do. So cool. Whoa. Epic skills, yo. This is literally so cool. Everything is literally made in China. Look. I think every fidget spinner is literally made in China. No, whoops. It's okay. These bearings are so hard. They are. They're like they're pure metal. Oh my god. They spin so good. Oh. They spin so good. Oh, I got this one for free too. Oh guys, this is so cool. Oh. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay. Oh, it has these little dots on there. If you guys can see that. Probably can't, but there's some dots there. And that, yeah. And these bearings are so cool. Look, it shines. Bam. 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 Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this epic fidget spinner. Leave in the comments if you want more fidget spinner videos. Bye.